Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to be cash stuffing $509 into our sinking funds and savings challenges. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, so I have everything over here. We have $509 to work with. We are just gonna go ahead and jump in, and we are gonna start with our sinking funds. We are not stuffing all of these today, just a majority of our sinking funds that we are just kind of focusing on this month. So car maintenance. Car maintenance is gonna be getting $50 today. We just seem to keep depleting this one recently, so I just want to throw $50 that way. So we are now up to 50, 70, 75. Car mods is getting $10. And we are now at 100, 200, 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 275. Racing events is getting $10. So we are now at 10, 20, 30, 35. Health is getting $30, so 20, 30. And we are now at 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Running is getting 20. And we are now at 20, 40, 60, 81. We are not stuffing home or clothing this week, but gifts is going to be getting $10. And we now have $40 in gifts. And that is it for our sinking funds. And let's move on to our savings challenges. So our first challenge we are stuffing is going to be our new summer challenge, which is the Buy the Sea mini savings challenge. And we are going to be putting $10 towards that today. So we are going to be coloring in one of these little starfish. And adding in that $10 bill. So we are now at 10, 20, 25. All right, retirement. Retirement today is gonna be getting $50. So let's go ahead and color one of those in. I have kind of, if you've been following my channel for a while, I was doing like a 52 week, you know, like the ones that are like week 1, you stuff $1, week 2, you stuff $2. Well, that just wasn't working for me. I am a server, so my income varies drastically, and I was kind of getting overwhelmed with the thought of having to stuff the larger numbers and just, you know, not having the funds to do it as we are getting farther and farther into the year. So I decided to make my own retirement savings challenge. It is still set up so that you can do 52 weeks if that's what you want to do, and then have like a bonus amount down at the bottom. So there are 52 boxes up here in the coral, and then there is a row of in like this gray color down below that could be set as bonuses if you still wanted to use it as a 52-week challenge. But there are a lot more like lower numbers in here so that when I get, you know, less income later in the year, I won't feel so discouraged. So my goal right now for summertime in my busier months is to go ahead and fill up this row down here. But yeah, that's kind of my thought process. This is listed in my Etsy shop if you are interested, along with pretty much any of the challenges you do see in this video. But let's go ahead and see where we're at for retirement now. We have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 360, 370, 380, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So we are at $395 for retirement. Emergency savings. This also used to be that normal 52-week challenge, and I changed it up. Mostly because I wanted to just hit $1,000. That was my goal. Today we're going to be stuffing $25. So this one, the highest that it goes up to is $75, with most of the numbers kind of being in the $10 to $20 range, or I should say $5 to $20 range. There is a couple 50s. There is 40 and 30, but most of it is 20 and under. So 25, oops, I didn't put the 25 in there though. Getting ahead of myself with the coloring. So let's see where we're at now. We've got 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 195 in emergency. Vacation. I do have a new vacation tracker, though I am not filling it in at the moment. I do have a little weekend getaway coming up, so I know I'm going to be using most of these funds. But today we are going to add $27 into this envelope. And so now for vacation, we are at 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $300, which should be more than enough for my little weekend trip. Plus, I also will be using probably my own spending money as well for that. Next up is pet emergency. That is going to be getting $10. I did decide, and I haven't printed it yet, I am going to kind of, not necessarily restart this challenge, but I am going to set it, because right now it's set to be $1,000. And I think what I want to do, because this is one I'm just going to keep stuffing indefinitely pretty much, but I want to make them lower numbers, because as you can see, I have barely stuffed any of the bowls and paw prints, just because it's just not in the budget with everything else we have going on right now. But I think I'm going to do them to be 5, 10, and either 15 or 20 for the bowls. That way, it just makes more sense. And I think I'm going to try and set it to be $500, and then each time I fill it up completely, I can replace it with prop money and then just put the 500 in the bank. So that's kind of where I'm at now with this fund. But I enjoy doing the savings challenges for it because it keeps me motivated to keep stuffing money in here. Oops, and I didn't even count it for y'all. So we are now at 120, 110, 20, 30. So 130 for pet emergency, which isn't a lot, but it's better than nothing. And that's just kind of where I'm at right now with all of these. A little bit is better than nothing. Next up is date night. We are just kind of going in order with this one. But we are going to color in one of the sets of the rings, which is equal to $10. Again, this is another one that's not like a huge priority, but I do want to go on a nice date night with my husband at some point. Maybe it'll be towards the end of summer to kind of celebrate the end of busy season, but who knows. But right now we have 50, 70, 80, 85, $90. All right, and then fuel up your savings. That is going to be getting $15. So we have 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 135, and let me color this in. There is that. And we are not stuffing any of these other challenges today. We didn't get any ones that had the letter A on it this week. That one is our credit card points challenge, so that'll be in the next couple of weeks. And right now, electronics is on the back burner for me. So that's it there. Let's move on to the Disney binder, which is my favorite binder. All right, I didn't write down here. We are at 135 for fuel. Okay, so the first one we are stuffing in this binder is going to be the Mickey Savings Challenge, which is a newer one for me. I just really wanted to create a little Mickey challenge. We are going to be adding $7 to that today. And that is because last time I just added an extra few dollars in here. So now we get to color in 2 Mickeys because I had those few extra dollars there. But for the Mickey challenge, we are now up to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 35 in here. This is just kind of an extra challenge for the Disney binder. Just because with the way everything is going in the economy, it doesn't hurt to have extra funds here and there. And like I said, I just wanted to create a cute little Mickey challenge to throw in this binder. So $35 for that. And we almost have that first row filled out. So super cute. Next up is Resort, and we are stuffing $150 into Resort today. So we are going to color in 2 of the little hangers. And we are getting closer and closer to being fully funded for this one. Looks like we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 575 left. And really, we don't even need that much for the resort, because as I've said in previous videos, that the resort was put on my PayPal, and I'm paying like an extra, I think it's like $30 on that a month right now, just out of our bill account. And I think this one was set to be a little bit higher than the resort stay is going to be, but we're just going to keep stuffing. And then once we pay that off, any remainder in here will just be put towards the other challenges. So right now for resort, we have $1,000 in the bank, and then we have 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is 750. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 850, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 1,000, 10, 20, 25. So 1,025, which means here when we do our sinking funds update, we will be able to put another placeholder in here and put this money in the bank. So $2,025. I can't believe it's only the end of June and we almost have this done. Like, that just makes my heart so happy. Okay, next up is going to be for our tickets. And our tickets today, we are adding the remaining $75 that we have over here. And that means we get to color in one of the little Epcot icons, which this is the first time we get to color in one of these ones. Awesome. So let's go ahead and see where we are at for tickets. We have 100, 150, 200, 250, 20, 40, 60, 80, 350, 370, 390, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So $425 for tickets, which is about a third. It's about a third of the tickets. So that's pretty much one person's tickets, because we are paying for three people's park tickets for 4 days. So we are doing good. We are not going to stuff anything for the rest of these challenges. I am trying to really knock out these first two big ones. So those are my priority for summertime. And then once we knock these two out, we'll be going full force to the rest of these challenges. But that is going to be it for y'all today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned. Tomorrow we are going to go ahead and tomorrow we are going to do our bill condensing along with updating our sinking funds and see where we're at the end of June. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned tomorrow, and we will be going over how much we saved for the month of June. All right, y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then. Bye.